is the chair complete. I'm absolutely thrilled with how it's come out. I love the compound curves and I love the walnut and black colour scheme. You might be wondering why I called it the Norman chair. I called it the Norman chair because that is the name of my first woodwork teacher who got me into woodwork and inspired me a lot, so I wanted to name it after him. And I think the Norman chair has quite a nice ring to it. Let me know what you think. So if you like this video and you think you might have some friends that would enjoy it as well, I'd really appreciate it if you shared this video. It really helps out the channel and gets my work shown to more people. So it'd really mean a lot if you could share this video. And of course, if you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button. And make sure you comment down below what you think of the chair, if you like the design or not. If you did like this chair making project, you might like some of my others, like the hallway table making series I made, and a huge segmented vase. I'll put those playlists in the description down below if you're interested. Before you go, I just want to thank my patrons for making this all possible and helping me upload 2 videos every single week. If you're interested in supporting the channel and getting early access to my videos and a discount on my Etsy store, I'll put all the information down below, plus a link to my Etsy store if you want to support the channel that way. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Thank you for watching the video, thank you for sticking to the end, and I'll see you in a couple of days for the next video.